have a bestie who believes I can do anything when it comes to craft. So this particular DIY, she saw it online and then she decided to send it to me and told me to try it out. This is because she believes in the fact that I can do anything called craft. So I went on to try the idea. It's a home decoration. This is what mine finally turned out to look like. Now let's just get right into this tutorial. First, I went on to print out my image from the cyber cafe. Then I got tailoring paper. I got clip for hanging. I got epoxy gum or aboki gum, my candle wax, and then my brush, scissors, and carton. Right. Last one is the PVC trunk. I got that one from an electrician shop. All right. So you're going to go ahead and place the picture to your cardboard paper and cut it out. Right. You're going to cut it out and apply epoxy gum like this to glue that to. I'm also going to apply some epoxy gum to the second cardboard paper so that I can glue everything together like this and cut it out. I prefer to actually cut it one by one to avoid having it spoiling or having my scissors get blunt. All right, so you glue it like this and then you're just going to go on to cut them out. Right, I'm trying to apply extra gum to the parts that didn't get to hold properly, right? So I'll just go ahead and apply the gum like this, then go ahead to cut it out. The next part is to attach this to your tailoring paper because you want the back to look as neat as the front, right? So I'll apply some epoxy gum on the cardboard paper and then I'll just go ahead and attach this to tailoring paper, cut off any extra or any excess, and I'm going to have it looking like this. Next, I'm going to go ahead to attach my PVC trunk. This is what I know it as, but like I said, I got it from an electrician shop and I just asked, there are different sizes and this is the size I wanted. So you cut it like this, pass it through, then when you get to the end of this place, that part, you're going to go ahead and use your scissors to just nudge it a little. Don't overcut because if you over nudge, it's going to break off, right? This is quite flexible and light. You're going to break off. So you just go ahead and do this, and when you get to the last part, when you get to the last part like this, you're going to now use candle wax, right? After cutting out the excess, you're going to use candle wax gum. This is where the candle wax gum comes in. So that I don't have it lifting or removing. You're going to use candle wax gum to just hold down the edge like this. The next part is to go on and attach your hook, right? This is where the hook is going to be. I don't have power supply at the moment, so I'm melting the candle wax myself. All right, so I'll just go ahead and attach it there. This is what it's going to now look like. But I didn't get to use that for my own. I'm using this sellotape that has two sides. That's because I do not want to hit any nail on the wall to avoid my landlord coming for me. So I'm just going to use this particular tape, right? I'll attach it here. When I did this, I placed it on the wall. I thought I was not holding, so I thought to split that into two instead. So I attached one at the edge and one at the edge, and this is what it now looks like. Ta-da! Ready? What do you think? I think I really love this.